In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between views in Wrike. Being able to quickly change views in Wrike is really helpful for seeing your work in different ways, whether you prefer a list, a table, a board, or something else. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and how to move between those views smoothly, so you can work in the layout that makes the most sense for you. First, make sure you're in a project, folder, or space where you already have some tasks. At the top of your workspace, look for the section where Wrike shows your current view options. You'll see an option labeled All. This is usually near the top of the screen, close to the project or folder name. Go ahead and click on All. When you click on All, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu lists the different views that are available for that particular folder or project. Depending on how your workspace is set up, you might see views like Table, List, Board, Gantt chart, or others. Each of these represents a different way of looking at the same work. From this drop-down, simply select the view you want. For example, if you want a spreadsheet style layout, you can choose the table view. If you prefer a Kanban style setup, you might pick the board view. Just click once on the view name, and Wrike will switch your screen over to that layout. If you've already added several views to this folder or project, there's an even quicker way to move between them. Look again near the top of the screen. You should see the names or icons of the views that are already enabled for this location lined up next to each other. These might show as tabs or buttons such as Table, Board, or List. To switch between these existing views, you don't need to open the All menu again. Just click directly on the view name or icon you want to use. For instance, if you're currently in the Table view and want to move to the Board view, just click on Board at the top. Wrike will instantly refresh and show your tasks in that new layout. That's all there is to it. Click All to see the full list of views and select one. Or, if those views are already added, simply click the view name at the top to switch instantly. With these simple actions, you can quickly move between perspectives and choose the view that best supports the way you like to work in Wrike.